Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this cheese grater and slicer. This is a nice, easy, portable slicer that comes with 4 different stainless steel blades. Each one of the blades do different things. You've got your coarse blinding. I've actually got the slicer blade in here, which you can see. It also has the fine grating, and you have a wavy slicing. Very easy to change out just by using this little back area right here. You just turn this little knob here, and then you can pull this out, add in a new one. Kind of just pushes right in there. So that is really nice that it is so convenient like that to be able to do. And it is all a hand crank, so you can go as fast as you want to go. Then it does have a base on the bottom that will make it to where it doesn't go anywhere. So it's a nice suction base on there just by pushing this. So right now I can easily lift it up. Once I do this, now it is stuck on there. Like, you cannot get this thing off. You have a little pusher here that has little ends on there to be able to grab onto it. It just simply sticks down in there. So you put your vegetables in or cheese or whatever, crank it around, all your stuff comes out real big. You've got a nice big opening here and at the top to be able to use this. Whenever you're done, you can either stick it in the dishwasher or hand wash it. This would be great for any kitchen.